Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today we are looking at a compact kitchen powerhouse that promises to redefine how you cook in smaller spaces. We are talking about the Karinear 12-inch Induction Cooktop. If you have been struggling with counter space or just want to upgrade your current setup to something more modern, this dual-burner unit might just be the solution you have been looking for. Let us start with the design. This unit features a sleek black glass surface that gives your kitchen an instant high-end look. It is compact, measuring roughly 20 inches by 11 inches, making it a perfect fit for apartments, tiny homes, or even an outdoor kitchen setup. The build quality feels sturdy, and the glass is easy to keep clean. In fact, it comes with a handy cleaning scraper to help you tackle those stubborn spills that sometimes happen during a busy dinner prep. One of the standout features here is the flexible zone functionality. While many small cooktops have two fixed burners, this model allows you to combine the two heating zones into one larger area. This is a massive plus if you are using an oval pan or just a larger skillet for a barbecue party. It gives you the kind of versatility you usually only see in full-sized premium ranges. Operation is handled through an innovative slider control panel. There is no physical button mashing here. You simply swipe to adjust your power levels or set your cooking timers. It is incredibly responsive and makes switching between heat levels feel intuitive and quick. With a total power output of 3,500 watts, this thing is fast. It heats up very quickly, which is exactly what you want when you are searing steaks or bringing a pot of water to a boil. Please remember that this unit runs on 220 to 240 volts and requires professional wiring, as it does not come with a standard plug. Now, let us talk safety and pros and cons. On the plus side, you get a 99-minute timer, auto shut-off, and a child safety lock, which is essential if you have little ones running around the kitchen. It also includes a high-temperature warning indicator. The package even comes with a free induction-ready pot, which is a nice touch. However, the limitation is that you must use iron-based or magnetic cookware. If your current pots are not magnetic, you will need to invest in new ones. Also, because this is a built-in unit, you need to ensure your counter space is cut properly to accommodate the dimensions of 19.5 by 10.8 inches. In conclusion, the Karinear 12-inch Induction Cooktop is an impressive piece of hardware for anyone looking to save space without sacrificing performance. It offers professional-grade heat, flexible cooking zones, and a very modern aesthetic. If you are prepared for the professional installation and have the right cookware, it is a fantastic upgrade. Link in the description.